Yeah. How do you stay so strong?
strong.
How?
I make myself strong to listen enough.
Hi, Rahul. Welcome to my show Unbound.
Yes, thank you. Hi.
Hi. Finally, you're here on a
Yes.
cold winter morning.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about this?
I'm feeling amazed, overwhelmed, mesmerized.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of adjectives.
Yeah.
So, what makes Rahul so excited about being on the stage?
I feel so much excited because here I am and they always have a dream to come here
Yeah.
and looking after so many episodes on YouTube and listening podcasts, here I am.
Wow.
One day I will be here
So,
again.
this is your podcast debut, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Writer, student, entrepreneur, so many things. How do you do them, Rahul? And what really inspires you?
I really inspired of being an entrepreneur, number
Mm-hmm.
one,
Mm-hmm.
because I really love working,
Mm-hmm.
sharing new ideas, sharing new innovation, to be an entrepreneur.
Mm-hmm.
And be writing, when I come to part of writing,
Mm-hmm.
yes, writing, whenever I write something, then I feel to post on that on social media.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and people like my work,
Hmm.
so there I started writing.
Yeah. What
But
kind of writing do you really enjoy?
I write poetry especially
Yeah.
because poetry is a subject that I love writing.
Mm-hmm.
Because poetry does not take a lot paragraph,
Hmm.
has a very short paragraph.
So, how has life been? What have been your personal challenges, Rahul? And how have you overcome those challenges to be where you have reached today in your journey?
When the challenge comes to me, there are so many challenges.
Yeah.
As I told you earlier that I am an entrepreneur. I am doing a podcast also. Okay,
Hmm.
there are the certain people to 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 whom I wanted to connect with them.
Hmm.
They are not taking lots of
Hmm.
toxicity.
Hmm.
And that's the main challenge for me. And secondly, my main challenge is like to uh, I am not overconfident.
Hmm. Hmm.
I am a little bit of nervous sometimes
Hmm.
when a new person comes to meet me
Hmm.
and I'm able to speak.
Hmm.
That is a challenging thing for me.
Hmm.
There are various challenges,
Hmm.
but sometimes I also just accept the challenge.
Hmm.
That's the challenge.
Hmm.
Challenge is to study
Hmm.
academically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But when in your growing up years, especially when you went to school, how supportive has your environment been to you?
Supportive.
About your teachers, about your friends, people around? Have you received a lot of support, or did you have to face too many, rejections maybe sometimes, or did you have to face too many problems? And who supported you? If
Yeah.
Tell me a little about all of that.
Yeah. There are, there are so many problems, but some problems I would say. I want get an opportunity to work.
Hmm.
start the student
Hmm.
council.
Hmm.
I always had a dream to be at the student council in the school,
Yeah.
won't get an opportunity,
Yeah.
that was challenge. And secondly, my problem was that uh, I was not able to connect properly.
Yeah.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
not all the time, sometimes.
Yeah.
Uh, I do get lots of disability towards something new,
Yeah.
what I learned. Talk about the challenges.
Hmm.
The school environment for me has given me so friendly environment. Meeting to all of my teachers. Teachers do become my friends very
Yeah.
often. But here I am.
Yeah. Any specific teacher who has played a very important role in your life?
Yeah, there is my counseling teacher, would I say name, who could to have shown me the right path,
Yeah.
to go to the right way,
Yeah.
to meet the right people, to talk rightly. That is
Yeah.
that my teacher told me. And my second one is that she 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 have told me once that always remember.
Yeah.
Do not connect with strangers. You want to connect with strangers, but talk to them nicely.
Okay.
Don't don't be strange about it. डरो मत आगे बढ़ना है तो बढ़ो
बढ़ो.
बस।
Yeah. And truly so, क्योंकि आपने इतना एफर्ट किया है मुझे रीच आउट करने में. इट्स बिन अ कंसिस्टेंट follow up on your part
Yeah,
to literally for us to be sitting together and chatting together, and really I'm in awe of that confidence and that responsibility that you have taken on yourself कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है.
yeah,
So ऐसे ही जिद्दी हो क्या आप लाइफ में भी
yes,
या इससे भी ज्यादा.
yes.
Yeah, so tell me a little about your book club, please.
About my book club.
Yeah.
So basically, there was a family interaction at my house.
Okay.
Okay, I was talking about books. Somewhere there was a game called Family Game, and there was alphabetical games like Atlas to pick out the name. And I was playing the game with my mother,
Okay.
and they go R. What is R? So I made the word called RUSTLE, which is that word.
Yeah.
Uh, 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 and I found it, wow, this word sounds so interesting.
Russell.
Search it on Google, there's no word
Hmm.
for this. And after that, just started a book club. This is a virtual book club.
Hmm.
I was very fond of meeting authors,
Hmm.
like Rustin Bond, so many renowned authors.
Yeah.
I'm able to get meet up with
Hmm.
them.
Hmm.
And with my starting a book club, I did not interacted with all of those authors.
Hmm.
And then we have written.
Beautiful.
First time when, when I started a book club, it was very difficult to me to how to function a book club.
Yeah.
Either it is online or it is
तो
offline.
ये आइडिया किसका था कि बुक क्लब करना है?
Idea got it from my mother.
अच्छा.
My my mom always feels that not my mom, but my family. Let us start a business.
Okay.
My own dream.
Okay.
But whenever I grow up, I will be starting as a business.
Hmm.
Being an entrepreneur,
Hmm.
going to the interviews like this, and be more popular.
Hmm.
From there, I got the dream to come true.
Okay. Okay. And this you started 3 years back.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah. 3 years back.
3 years back. Yeah. Yeah. And you're satisfied with the journey?
Yes, I'm satisfied with my journey.
Have you met with a few authors?
Yes,
Oh.
I met a new author
Mhm.
and slowly started the last scale.
Mhm.
First, first interaction was mine the, when I started a literature festival
Okay.
under my book club.
Okay.
And from there I got interacted with book club.
Very interesting. So books में क्या मिलता है राहुल को?
Books is something like to educate people.
Mhm.
To educate people. Wherever I go out, to if I know people are coercive without thinking with their hands. My motto is to educate them.
Educate.
Educate the poor people, educate the poor children. Get them to the greater heights. Educate them.
Yeah. You think education is very important?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Any of the books or the stories that have inspired you the most in life, or any author for that matter?
They are not all, but very few that I like.
Yeah.
There was a book called Very Storybook.
Hmm.
One of those books which I inspired it as a book from the Sundamurti.
Okay.
She writes those books.
Okay.
And there is a book called My Collab. I
Hmm.
read that book.
Mm-hmm.
It is about his journey,
Hmm.
biography of the book.
Biographies. Hmm.
How Abdul Kalam becomes successful from a
Hmm.
poor man
Hmm.
uh, uh, and made a space. And from there, she was a scientist.
Hmm.
From there, she became a president of India.
India. Yeah.
Entire journey.
Yeah. I Am Kalam. I Am Kalam is the book.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I was not fond of reading books too
Hmm.
much.
Hmm.
But very little sometimes I feel like let me do something with books.
Okay.
So I read the book and I uploaded a review of it.
Okay.
People are like it or not like it, that's a separate thing.
Hmm.
Then I started putting reviews
Hmm.
on LinkedIn, Instagram especially.
Hmm.
And the followers increased rapidly.
Hmm.
Then that means that people are liking my work.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's how I associate with books.
तो लिंक्डइन कैसे हुआ आपके लिए? मतलब हाउ डिड यू कम ऑन अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक लिंक्डइन?
LinkedIn is a very talented thing. I was a student in Shivnadu school.
Yes, yes.
I was studying. I was seeing my teacher studying LinkedIn.
Okay.
And what is LinkedIn? I don't know.
No clue. Hmm.
I know that LinkedIn is for those people who generally got the job.
Hmm.
And I was moving on Facebook looking for a guest on my first initiative called the Spectrum series. Some of my guests told me about LinkedIn.
Okay.
Found out the LinkedIn they are more professional and the more creative people you will get
Hmm.
from LinkedIn. From there I got into LinkedIn. And uh, and I was posting something
Hmm.
on LinkedIn
Hmm.
like very horrible messages, not horrible posts like good morning, good evening
Yeah.
post on LinkedIn. And from there people got reached to me.
Okay.
From there my journey began on LinkedIn.
Okay. So what are the dreams and desires does Rahul have? What does he really, is there something that you're chasing?
Kids,
Are you chasing some dream? Do you have any dreams that you are constantly keeping them as your goals and you're working towards them? Is there something that you've planned for life ahead which inspires you to keep going, keep going, keep going?
motivated
Yeah.
schools.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
Oh, but Firstly, my mom. So my mom told me to go for it. What I do. Secondly, my online mentors who generally help me to go forward.
Yeah.
Such like Mr. Rajput
Hmm.
uh, and many other mentors to whom I got connected over the years, all
Hmm.
of those people.
Hmm.
And third, my friends, colleagues, especially colleagues from the Mumbai.
Mm-hmm.
All of those people don't know work constantly and move forward.
Hmm.
You, you, you will get to know
Hmm.
positivity in future. You will get to the positive.
Hmm.
To work what you are doing now, continue with that. No one will stop you.
Hmm.
Do whatever you do. Focus on that work.
So, if you would like to invite someone who is an unstoppable human or would just want to have a conversation with me, write to me at unboundwithmamta@gmail.com. That is unboundwithmamtaa@gmail.com. You can also follow my Instagram at the rate Mamta Podcaster. That is MAMTAA Podcaster.
Coming to again, some ambition, some goal. Your sister has been doing very well in her pursuit as a banker, and I hear that you are also preparing yourself to uh, get a government job. So how are you working through that, and who's your biggest support in that, and do you actually dream on to become an IAS one day?
Oh,
Yeah.
ah, I am looking for the job called the data entry operator.
Okay.
This job is a very interesting to work.
Hmm.
Something like the administration job
Hmm.
I'm looking for.
So you're training yourself in that? Are you
Yeah,
training yourself in that?
yeah.
Okay.
And from there, I I am taught Excel, PowerPoint,
Hmm.
presentation, all of those presentations. I work on that.
Hmm.
And from there, I gain my experience and more money on that.
So the book club is more like a social enterprise. This is something
Yes,
that you want to do for the
yes.
society. Hmm.
See, book club is for me to learn,
Learn.
to gain my experience.
Hmm.
What I'm doing to
Hmm.
gain my experience.
Hmm.
And the other part, what I'm doing, pre- 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 preparing for my job, that's for my lifetime.
Hmm.
Lifetime settlement. For
Hmm.
that, I will get money,
Hmm.
salary.
Yeah.
That is my currently focus on.
Hmm.
Book club gives me more passionate
Passion. Yeah.
than that. I am enjoying doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So people, books, movies, travel, what excites you? What really excites you and keeps you going the most?
Travel.
Travel? Mm.
Travel and music.
Music.
And a little bit of English, like poetry,
Hmm.
because travel is like, so where you go, you will explore more. And music, when you travel, you sing that
You
music.
take the music
And
along.
poetry, when you sing, and you write the poetry.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is your drive when you get to a place like G20, you get invited and you've been on various shows, talk shows, been on a center stage, have done so many activities for your school. थोड़ा सा भी डर नहीं लगता है?
Yeah. Uh, I was
कोई एंजाइटी कभी-कभी होती नहीं है थोड़ी?
to,
नहीं?
to, uh, I was more into the art culture. to where art feels like drawing, painting and all.
Hmm.
I generally hate sports.
Hmm.
For other people who like sports,
Hmm.
other people who don't like
Yeah.
sports.
Yeah.
I like art because art is something that makes you more joyful.
Hmm.
Whatever you do, that is art.
Hmm.
Potter is also an art for me.
Hmm.
To speak, to learn new words,
Hmm.
and to, yeah,
So you enjoy human interaction.
yes,
Hmm. And you're a social person. You
yes,
like to be
very
out.
social person. uh, uh, I am more towards socializing people. I like socializing
Hmm.
because socializing is, is something that I enjoy the most.
Hmm. It gives you more confidence.
Yes, more confident.
Hmm.
Sometimes I don't feel like confident
Hmm.
sometimes
Hmm.
because sometimes my back is little, but sometimes the confidence level is little.
Hmm.
In my school time, I was not that much confident.
Hmm.
I am now
Hmm.
because school time I feel like that.
Hmm.
I am a confident,
Yeah.
but not that much confident.
Yeah.
Now I'm
दूसरों की जजमेंट्स कभी बॉदर नहीं करती राहुल को?
so
नो, नेवर.
never.
ये मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे होंगे, इनको मेरी बात ठीक से समझ आ रही है, इनको अच्छा लग रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. कभी भी मन में कोई कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं, कोई डाउट नहीं आता है?
बहुत आते हैं लेकिन I won't want to say that because sometimes I think that people used to say that the the that they not do nothing in life.
Yeah.
You know, all of that thoughts have come in my mind. People
Absolutely.
say
Hmm.
they don't think that I don't understand them also,
Hmm.
but I understand.
Yeah.
After that, I I told myself to not to worry.
Yeah. How do you stay so strong?
Strong.
How?
I make myself strong to listen enough back.
Wow.
Doctor enough back says that suppose a person will say that this man will do nothing in his life.
Hmm.
And does not know how to play sports, does not
Yeah.
able to speak.
Hmm.
From there, I was I was start thinking, what should I do out of my life?
Yeah.
From there, I got to one day. Uh, I was looking at the motivational videos sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes motivational
Which
videos.
motivational videos?
Like to make yourself happy.
Yeah.
To make yourself happy.
Yeah.
To to forget old those old moments that people are saying that this fellow will not do nothing.
Yeah.
Those reflections I used to see. Sometimes I used to listen to music or stuff like that. And from there I started doing that. Let us reflect our own life.
Yeah.
Don't listen to them.
एक बात पूछूं राहुल,
हाँ.
सच में सच आंसर चाहिए मुझे. I know you're a very resilient person and I know the kind of strength you're coming from,
हाँ.
but कभी भी लाइफ को लेके गुस्सा नहीं आया?
गुस्सा गुस्सा बहुत आता है. So I will always be feel like गुस्सा. पर तब मैं गुस्सा को बाहर आता है गुस्सा. You know, I used to like pull my hair, making all of those
Yeah.
bad expressions. You totally mentally expressions. And what should I do in my life?
Yes.
My parents called me, you don't do nothing. That's spoken understand it.
या और किसी का फॉल्ट नहीं है इसमें,
There's no
किसी
one's
का भी
fault.
फॉल्ट
There's
नहीं
no
है इसमें.
parents' fault. And after that, the door will shut. Looking at the mirror, and my mirror said, you need to do something for your life.
या
E- e- Either you earn money, either you don't earn money. You need to do something. तुम करो राहुल अपनी जिंदगी में, तुम करो जो करना है तुम करो, दुनिया को दिखाओ that कि तुम कुछ कर रहे हो.
ट्रू.
No matter how you are, no matter how God makes you, does not matter. Just do what you are doing.
या और नॉर्मल क्या होता है?
Yeah.
क्या है नॉर्मल? हम किसी चीज को कोई शेप दे दें, कोई फॉर्म दे दें और उसको हम नॉर्मल बोलने लग जाएं.
Yeah.
और अगर उस चीज को हम थोड़ा सा ऐसा करें या कुछ भी करें और कहें कि ये नॉर्मल नहीं है, तो ये मेरी आईज में नॉर्मल नहीं है ना,
Yeah.
ये तो देखने वाले की आईज में नॉर्मल
Yeah.
नहीं है ना. बट हाउ हैव यू मेड पीस विद इट? हाउ हैव यू really collected yourself and said that this is who I am and this is how I will bring myself to the world?
Yeah. For that, I was making myself very great. Okay.
Guilty.
I was reading newspapers every day.
Okay, you were okay.
Okay, I was reading newspapers. Uh, I am looking at my skills developing, like skill doing
और
stuff.
ये आपको अपने आप इंटरनली इंस्पिरेशन आए कि ये मुझे खुद करना है, या
Yeah.
you've seen people push you, support you in that, or have they compelled you कि नहीं तुम कुछ करो अपनी जिंदगी में?
My parents supported me a lot.
Hmm.
Whatever I do, they, either I do a small scale of work or a large scale of work. Small scale, I go and meet people.
Yeah,
My mom is trying to support me,
yeah,
and she told do whatever you do.
yeah.
Okay. And whenever I done my first show on the spectrum, that is like a very elementary, poetry, very elementary.
Hmm.
I was nervous to see new people.
Obviously.
Of course, firstly I met. And don't know how to speak with the people.
Yeah.
What are they wanting like this? My mom kept me to that one.
Hmm.
And she said, and there was the second time, there was another one,
Yeah.
then he said. And after fourth time, my mom told after order, and now you do it.
You do it.
From there, I was started preparing myself again.
Wow.
And after that, I picked up my.
Wow. That's a lot of power, Rahul. That's a
Yeah.
lot of power. You know, you may be looking at a lot of motivational videos, movies, books, but
Yeah.
you are a living motivation for so
Yeah.
many of us. Do you also have those kind of dreams for your family, things that you want to do for them?
I do have lots,
Yeah.
but whenever my mom is working on something, you know, all of those something on the personal work, they are always something very small papers come out,
Mm-hmm.
very small. All of their achievements that my parents done in their life, all of those achievements are there.
Mm.
And I think, wow,
Mm.
so much achievement they have done.
Yeah.
And I do inspire by them. जो बहुत सारे वो भी मुझे करते हैं
Hmm.
You know,
Say that again.
for that I need to work hard for.
Yes.
So the working hard, be successful, then only you come.
Yes.
तभी तो here to tell you what.
You want to make them proud. You want to make them proud.
Yeah. My mom needs to be proud of me. My
Hmm.
sister needs to be proud of me. And my other family members.
Yeah.
Of course, my father will feel more prouder than me
Yeah.
because my father is also like a social person like me.
Yeah.
But so my father is a more bigger person in the sense. Very big person. But kicking out for some time is carrying the
Mhm.
mom to
Yeah.
ground.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it. So beautiful. Now, you've really shared so much about your life with me, and you're truly come unbound on the show.
Yeah.
So unfiltered, so authentic. But I still have a few volley of questions, and these are quick questions, which
Okay.
is this is like almost the last leg of the show. I call it a rapid reflex round.
Okay.
So in this, I will not give you time to think. Okay, so these are the volley of questions. Either these are the sentences that you have to fill in the gaps, like
Yeah.
fill it, or just give me one word answers. Are you ready for this round?
Yeah.
Rapid reflex round.
Yeah.
Okay. What does joy mean to you? One word answer.
Happiness.
What does life mean to you?
Life. Strength.
What is your purpose in life?
My personal life.
Your life, purpose of your life.
Full of happiness, full of dream come true.
Wow. One thing that you never miss to do first thing in the morning.
Yes, to come out from the balcony.
Come out in the balcony?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. One thing which is the last thing that you definitely do in the day.
Last thing in the morning.
Yeah. Last thing in the day. Like at night, before going to
In the
bed. You
night.
definitely do it.
Set an alarm in my phone. So the next day, what time I wake up, set an alarm.
Sweet. Very sweet. What does travel mean to you in one word?
Travel means to me is like to learn,
To learn,
to explore.
to explore. Beautiful. Books to you is. Complete the sentence. Books to you is.
Books do I read?
Books to you are. What is the meaning of books in your life?
Books are my life. Books are like my friends.
They are your friends?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And whatever books it is.
Yeah, they're your
It
friends.
is food. It is to find out the recipe.
Mhm.
Books need to be done.
Yeah.
Whatever I make food, go book color, what I like, and I'll make that.
Very nice. Food to you is. What is the meaning of food in your life?
America
American.
and Mexico.
Wow. Quite
And Australia that I like the most.
really.
Whenever my mom is not there at home,
Yeah.
the morning, go English to clean that Maggie packet, come into the market. Take that Maggie packet out there, take out the noodles, to put it on the gas, to boil it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Over there, you will be carrying out Maggie masala होता है.
Huh. Huh.
मैं Maggie masala नहीं करता.
Then what do you do?
I add some spices
Spices.
like oregano,
Oh.
olive oil. Olive oil is not there at home, but normal oil I look like. And I mix that and I eat.
Oh wow.
I like all of those, what to say, experiment.
Experiment.
Food
So
experiment.
food means to you experimenting a
Yeah.
lot. Oh, nice,
Yeah.
nice. If it was not for this Rahul,
Okay.
this life,
Yeah.
then what it be? What it will be for you?
If Rahul is on this life,
if this is not what you were, what you are today, then what would you be?
I will be going to be like a normal man. Very normal man. Okay. The, the sitting in the back. Sitting in the back with the tiny chair. Sitting in the bed and everything. That's it. Very simple man. I mean.
Oh, so sweet.
But thanks to entrepreneurs, so today I'm here and having a conversation with you.
Memories to you is, or to you are, what does it mean to you? Memory.
Memories are like so fond. Fond. Good lavish photos are good lavish.
Photos.
Previous.
Yeah,
Pictures.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And the stage to you is
The scale.
stage where you perform, where you go out and talk. What does this stage mean for you?
Scale. Scale. People be like the happy.
Happiness.
Happy is the moment you are on the stage. That means that you are the interested in it. Whatever you want to say, you can say. Yeah.
Yeah. And mom to you is,
Yeah.
your mother to you is.
Oh, my mom is very supportive. Yeah.
But how do you define her? If I were to say just define mom, what will you say for her? One word.
My mom. Eh, eh. Exclusive.
Exclusive.
Exclusive. Yeah.
How sweet. Wow. Thank you so much for unbounding with me. Thank you so much for giving us so much power. Thank you so much for inspiring us by being who you are. This was a truly mesmerizing experience for me.
And thank you to LinkedIn and YouTube who, who helped me to come here to speak to you. Speaking to you is like something to a marketing. Like so good. Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Rahul.
you
We'll
so
keep
much.
looking up to you. We'll keep looking forward to you. And we really wish you an unbounded success in life ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode. And for all the episodes, you can come back to Unbound with Mamta, now available on 20 plus audio streaming platforms: Spotify, Amazon, Ghana, iTunes, Google Podcasts, or wherever else you get your audio. So keep unbounding together.